Hi everyone. First of all, this video is for exam going MD Biochemistry postgraduates, right? So the thing is, I have launched an MD focused revision series, but the validity of the course is just 6 days. So I have got a lot of queries from my students stating that how can we use it in just 6 days? Yes, so that's where the plan lies. So how do you do this? How can you use this platform for effective revision? Yes, so for that I have made a series of I will just tell you how you should proceed with how you should use this course effectively in just 6 days. Okay, so maybe if you have this course for 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even then if it is made for those 1 month time or 6 month time period, the thing is you will not use it effectively. Yes, so it's okay, there are 6 months, so we will just do it later. There is 1 month time, so we will do it later. So you will miss out on it. If it is only for 6 days, only then you will have a target. You will set a target for yourself. You will complete the syllabus, the first day syllabus and day one, day two syllabus and day two. So likewise, you can complete it in 6 days. All right. So let's see how we can do this, right? So what is included in first place? In first place, I've got video lecture series. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to download the book. Okay, I want you to download the book that's also available in the course only. Yes, I want you to download the book that's available in the course. It's downloadable. You can just download it, take a printout of it, and have it for your preparation. After which, I would like you to go through day one syllabus and day one, day two syllabus and day two, day three syllabus and day three. Likewise, I want you to proceed for the next 5 days, right? So this is how it is. So you have a 20-hour video lecture series here. So, each day I want you to sit for a certain amount of hours. Yes, 4 hours to 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours in each day and complete the set of series, right? So the book, contents of the book is like this, right? These are the contents of the book. So I have included most of the high yield topics that are necessary for you to, prepare for your university exams. So be it any university across India is going to help you. So I'm going to, I have compiled all the high yielding topics. So without preparing these, you shouldn't go for the exam. That's the point. Yes. So you have these many contents here. So I want you to just take note of it. The contents are there and the page numbers are also available. So as and when you see the lecture series, make notes. Yes, make your own notes. So if you have a, tab or an iPad, you can just download this. You can have your notes with you, right? You can just or you can take a printout and make additional notes after watching the video. So this printed book is for you only. This ebook is for you only. It will be available. You can download it to your device only. You can use it later for the preparation even after the 6 day course has got expired. You can use this book for your revision. So what will be the point here? You would have completed the entire book by watching the video lecture series, is it not? After which you will have the book with you. You can just revise it. Yes, so that's how simple it is. So when I was doing my post graduation, there was nothing like this. So I wanted to make this a point that you use the course effectively. There is a main course, complete course for 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year validity. But the thing is, just think, whether you have watched all the video lectures. No, right? Then and there, whenever you want any point, any topic, only then you go search for the topic and you watch the video. I don't want this course to be like that. Okay, because if you're an exam going PG, you have your exams in the next 1 week or next 2 weeks, next 1 month. You can use this effectively, complete the entire syllabus in just in just 5 days, and you have 1 day bonus here. Okay, just 5 days, and then you can start revising and start adding on things. If you want to do extra topics, you can learn it. So it is that way. Otherwise, for learning these contents itself, it will take such a long time. But I'm saving you from that, right? So this 6 days, you complete the entire syllabus, and then you have to go for the other extra topics if you want to cover, right? So this is about the book. It will be available with you. All right. So the daily targets. So I have made 6 folders for you. I have made 5 folders for you. Day one is you will have, day one topics will be molecular biology to start with. Day two will be the continuation, molecular techniques, and then starting with chemistry and metabolism. Day three, you will have all the other metabolism topics and cover. Day four, endocrinology with clinical chemistry and instrumentation, we would have started. Day five, the rest of the instrumentation and some lab medicine topics and biostat. So this is how we complete. Day six, nutrition topic. So vitamins, minerals, I want you to do it by yourself, right? So nutrition topic, the notes are available in the ebook. It is just, you have to just go through and finish off with the day six. Okay. So this is what the plan is with this course. So I want you to follow these targets. So make it a point that you have 6 days with you. Okay. Just allot 6 days, next 6 days. Only when you have those next 6 days with you, subscribe this course. Yes. So don't do it otherwise. Okay. So only when you can allocate 4 to 5 hours for yourself a day, subscribe this course. Because what I found was MD revision, focus revision series I have conducted 2 times, the previous month and this month. And what I found was the students subscribed it, but they were not able to be on time. Okay, so when it was for 4 to 5 hours in the evening, they were not able to be on time, be on live, right? So what I thought was, okay, if I give you this as a course, maybe you will allocate 4 to 5 hours in the entire 24 hours. You will allocate 4 to 5 hours for yourself, and you can do it. And you can allocate the 6 days. Only when you have the 6 days in your hand, you should subscribe this course. Otherwise, don't. Okay. So this is how this course is going to help you. So aim of the course is to set a target and complete it on time. So that's the aim of the course, and I hope you understand this. Yes. So any doubts you have, any extra things you want to know, any answers you want to know, any PYQs which you don't know. So for exam going PGs, the mentor support is always there. Like I was doing with the course with the app. Mentor support is always there throughout your career, so you need not worry. Okay, so you can just whatever doubts you have in the app chat box, you can post it in the app chat box. Otherwise, also join the Telegram group, WhatsApp group. Yes. And then you can post your doubts. It will be cleared. So mentor support will be always there, right? So why do you wait? Now you can choose your dates and purchase the course, not otherwise. Okay, if you have the next 6 days in your hand, if you are confident that you can take up 6 days for yourself, okay, only then I want you to purchase this course. Otherwise, don't. Yes, the course is going to be there in the app. Never mind. If you have 6 days, only the previous day, if you have 6 days, only then you have to subscribe for the course. Okay, and just follow the days. So day one folder, finish it off in day one. Day two folder, finish it off in day two. Day three folder, finish it off in day three. Day 4 and 5, just do it the same way. And day 6, finish off the nutrition topics by yourself. It's going to be easy, right? So then that's it. So you're actually building your exam confidence to the next level. So after 6 days, what you can do is you can add on whatever you want, extra topics you want to learn. You can just add on those. Yes. So the entire high yield topics is now at your hand. You can just revise using these notes. Everything, the notes, the notes I have taken from your standard textbooks only. So you need not have any doubts in that. It is going to help you. It is definitely going to help you. It's definitely going to scale up your exam confidence to next level. Yes. So just follow this way and you're going to succeed in your exams. All right. Thank you.